Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time someone accepts your friend request on Roblox Mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn off those friend request accepted notifications quickly and easily, so you can keep your phone clutter-free and focus on what matters, playing your favorite Roblox games. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, take a look at the bottom right corner. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots to open up the More menu. Now, in this menu, scroll down until you find the option that says Settings. Tap on Settings to access all the different options you can customize for your Roblox experience. Next, look for the section labeled Notifications. Once you find it, tap on Notifications. This is where you can control all the alerts Roblox sends to your device. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see another option called Mobile Push Notifications. Tap on this to see a list of all the types of notifications you can receive on your phone from Roblox. Here's the important part. Find the toggle next to Friend Request Accepted. If the toggle is green or switched on, that means you're currently receiving notifications whenever someone accepts your friend request. To turn these off, simply tap the toggle so it turns gray or off. That's it. You've successfully turned off friend request accepted notifications on Roblox Mobile. Now, you won't be interrupted every time a new friend joins your list, but you'll still get other important notifications you care about. If you ever change your mind, you can always follow these steps again and turn the toggle back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Roblox tips and tricks. See you in the next video.